Hi guys, what is up? It's Fox here again, and today I'm going to bring you an episode 2 of my Survival World series, and I've literally just recorded episode 1 and I'm moving straight on to episode 2 here, and because I've finished uploading the other video which was causing the lag. Hopefully this should be a little less now. We're going to have to go and fight some mobs, baby. So I'm just going to make sure that there's no mobs within the range of the crafting table. There's mobs over there. I think they're fine if they just stay exactly where they are. So let's lower ourselves down. And also I think I might have fixed the problem with the low voice thing. I'm not sure if it's going to work, but there was a voice recording volume which was on full and playback volume wasn't on full. So I guess if I put playback there, maybe it playbacks to you louder. And it's really windy outside right now. Like, things are going down really loud, proper loud. So we're gonna put, it's actually quite freaky with stuff like crashing around outside, and the cows and everything. That's kind of freaked me out as well. Anyway, I think we're gonna go ahead and kill ourselves some mobs, baby. I'm getting payback for all the times stuff they've done to me. Oh crap. Okay, you wanna play it that way? I'll just wear out my stone sword, it's fine. Yeah, I'm just gonna retreat onto land. Again, where I'm much stronger. Show you one of my special tactics I learnt from the army, should I? These mobs are just gonna get owned. They don't even know what's coming for them. Might call this chicken play. So do I. But oh well. I don't want to die straight away at the beginning of my series. So episode 1 is saved into my hard drive. Episode 2 is now being recorded. Oh, and we've already attracted some mobs into our little trap. Didn't even know there were mobs over there. Just came out of nowhere. Ah, she decided to arrive. Oh wait, I think I gotta be a bit more wary of that spider. Because spiders could, oh look, the mob, yeah, just what I thought. Bit more wary of spiders because spiders, move out the way you stupid cow. I can't see anything. The lag is killing me. Crap, dude. Okay, so you're telling me I need to regen. Already close encounters with death. Crap, that scared me. Genuinely thought I was going to die then. I'm not even messing with you. I thought I was a goner. Phew. Flirting with death, and there's an enderman right there. We're fine if we just have a look at him. I totally did not just see an enderman. I didn't look at you. Don't assume anything. I really hope he doesn't just teleport to where my cross hatch, whatever it is, where my cross is. And then I look straight in and I'm just going for this. Regening. Ready for instant death. That's why I was using the technique. But I didn't know. Oh my god, not skeletons. Oh no. It's the time where I just will hide away. I don't know why I'm going up this high. I think we're just going to hide it out the rest of the night. Enderman right there. Right underneath my backside. Could kill him, but like he'd probably kill us. Just looking not really scared to this. Okay. It's right there. He's walking around underneath me. I'm just a chicken. What did I do on my first one? In my other survival world. Oh yeah, there's a village, wasn't there? And there was no lag. There was no lag. There was no lag, of course. There shouldn't be as much lag now. So I've only got this window up. And the screen recording window, which for some reason is a window. I thought it would just be... I guess it has to be a window, doesn't it? Right, where do these skeletons go? Right, there's one over there. There's a zombie over there as well, with a spider, a dirt tower, and the Enderman. And literally did not look at him. He's holding a block of dirt. What the hell's going on? I'll just move. Just let you two do what you're doing. It's fine. Yeah, you've had enough of you. What the hell is going on there, right? So you find yourself a lady friend. Because suddenly we just kissing. Is that like a warning or something? Do you want me to go? Oh my god, I'm talking to an Enderman. What the hell's wrong with me? Literally, what the hell's wrong with me? Oh, where's the moon? The moon. It's setting, yes. No, oh god, so that would have been dangerous. So I'll look at his eyes. I think we can begin when the moon sets over those trees. I think we can begin to find ourselves down. Without the Enderman looking at us. How did he go? I think he's... Oh, he's there. He's there. He stuck himself in a hole. We could trap him. But I'm not mean. I really don't feel safe. God, cow. Okay, he left. That's what went down. Zombies are burning, hopefully. They've gone in the cave, haven't they? No, they're chickens. That's... well... yeah, I didn't mean to talk about you. I'm sorry, I was just using a phrase that involved your name. Do you know what else involves your name? Do you know what involves your name as well? Roast chicken. Ha ha ha. Oh, and the Enderman popped up again. Oh, he's gone again. Oh crap, I just think I looked at it. Oh my god. Grab, stop doing that. Scaring the living daylights out of me. Some of those enderfish things. Crap, they take a lot of damage off you, don't they? Can I kill it? What the hell? Can't I kill it? No? Oh my god, there's two. I think they're crowding around me. Oh, I don't know what to do. Are they deadly? Are they baby Endermen? What the hell? What the hell are we meant to do? Can I dig them in a hole? Just get rid of them like that? No, they keep... Can I just get rid of you? Can you please just... Oh, I'm gonna die. Yeah, you could tell me if these ender things do kill me, that would be really good. But how the hell am I meant to kill them? They sound just like silverfish. Should I risk it? I don't know. I said I might die and then my whole series will be wrecked completely. Did they despawn? They just despawned. Oh, they just despawned. Just like that. Did they seriously just despawn? Along with the ender person. Oh, right, okay. As soon as I come down, freaky noises start happening. Not reassuring me, Minecraft. Everything's gonna be okay. Freaky enderfish things. I heard about them. I had absolutely no clue what they were. I bet you need... Oh, I just got just about enough. Oof. I feel like I'm on fire. For my journey, I've seen. Better go and kill some more peeps. Cows. Sorry guys, I'm not talking much. I'm checking out a lot. There's enderfish things, whatever they're called. And the mobs, everything, they just distracted me then. I'm sorry. And the episode's not gone long. We've got not gone long left. This is probably terrible. What am I doing? I barely done anything in this episode. And I said I'd go over to the ravine, didn't I? What an idiot. The whole mob situation just completely distracted me from everything I was supposed to do, and I can't run now because I need to eat. I'm gonna starve to death. I need to go. You've got loads of food on your hotbar. It's like, yeah, I know, but I really want to cook it. Oh, I'm glad to kill it. Oh, so one shot kill, was it? One shot kill. Ah. That's within my ranks. That was. Ah. Sad to think that was the same chicken that was just over there. I just killed. Right, let's do it. Let's go mining. Where's the sun? Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it, and then we'll do it again. Just do it. Let's do it. Do it. Do it. I've got so much crap on my hotbar. Why the hell do I need all that crap on my hotbar? I need dirt. That's about it. Where was that hole I dug? Dougie. Hole that I duggy. Oh, there it is. I can't see craft though, can I? Oh, now I'm into mine. I'm such an idiot. I could find a cave. All I need is coal, and then pretty much done. Yeah, I'm gonna have to end the episode very soon. In literally less than a minute. Anyway, oh yes, So guys, I'm gonna finish off the episode here by getting our first ever ores. Not ever, I wouldn't say ever, because I've mined ores before, but in the series, first ore we mined is a piece of iron. Hopefully there'll be many more ores to mine. Hopefully diamond's one of them. I hope you all enjoyed watching me chickening out from the enderfish things. If you could tell me what they are, please, that would be really good. I do hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you haven't already seen episode 1, go check it out, because that's the beginning of the series. You want to know everything that's happening. Basically, I've been Fox, and you've been Sound, and adios.